Talking about vaccinations in the city. A new partnership. Baltimore City will bring vaccines to those who don't otherwise have access. WMAR2 News' Dave Detling has more on the city's plan for these mobile clinics.
Well, city leaders say this mobile unit will be rolling into underserved Black and brown communities, bringing them better access to COVID-19 vaccines and testing.
Teams are mobilized this week and are slated to reach up to 100 residents.
Residents at 2 low-income and senior facilities will see this mobile unit roll into South Baltimore later this week. The goal, according to health and city officials, deliver COVID-19 vaccinations to people ages 65 and up. Over the coming weeks, this vaccination clinic unit will visit senior housing buildings, going where there have been recent outbreaks into neighborhoods with low vaccination rates.
We know it is critical that equity remains at the forefront of our vaccination strategy.
The venture is a partnership between the city, MedStar Health, LifeBridge Health, Johns Hopkins Medicine, and the Johns Hopkins School of Nursing. While the goal is to provide vaccines, supply remains an issue, one the health commissioner addressed when asked how many doses the mobile unit will have on hand.
Again, we get notified of our allocation from the state sometimes a few days before we actually get it. And so we're making decisions internally based on that prioritization that I mentioned, specifically older adults, in this case with the focus on senior housing sites. And then based on what we've been notified we're getting from the state, then we're able to allocate to our partners to perform those vaccinations.
That number, 50 to 100 shots to select sites being visited.
Obviously, we hope to see that number go up as actual quantity goes up, but it will vary from week to week based on what our allocation from the state is.
A scheduling form will be sent to independent living facilities to gauge interest in the mobile clinics slated for the next 2 months. Scheduling will be confirmed weekly, once again based on vaccine supply. And again, city leaders asking people to be patient. Right now, they are looking to administer 50 to 100 vaccinations a day with this mobile unit. Outside Baltimore City Hall, Dave Detling, WMAR 2 News.